you guys, it's Cinco de Mayo, so I wanted to hop on. So I went and I got us a shake and a tea from my favorite local like nutrition store, shop, whatever you want to call it, Shake Shack. And I haven't had caffeine in like a hot second, so I'm bouncing off the walls. You can ask Jay, it's horrible, but it's so good.
Sleeping all day.
This is a mango watermelon Mexican lollipop, they call it.
Jolly Rancher.
And what they do is they put fruit in it, and it has like what do they call it?
Fruit?
No, the stuff that you put on fruit. Oh my god, I can't remember the name of it.
Something on fruit? Cream?
I told you they sprinkled
Chocolate?
it. It's like salt. It's not salt, but it's like a seasoning. I'll put it on the screen. I can think of it. I can see it in my head, and once I get it, it'll be far gone this video. Anyways, so it's Cinco de Mayo, and last year Jason and I made some bomb food, and this year we're making a chuck roast. This is it.
Get out of here.
And we have lemon juice. We have lime juice, a can of tomato.
Oh my god, I cannot talk.
One little mini can of pineapple juice. It's got a lot or decent amount of lime juice in it. I put in a little bit of pepper, a little bit of onion powder,
Why are you
a
talking
little
like
bit
that?
of garlic powder, and then I put in a little bit of water to give it more consistency, and then we put in a Frontera barbacoa. Barbacoa for you.
Seasoning pack. So it's I have it right now as 8 servings because I think a serving is going to be like 1/4 of a cup of the meat once it's all shredded up. I don't know. I got these little tacos. I'm going to just quickly show you my little grocery haul. Well, I'm looking so rough. But yeah, I'm going to show you this, and then once we have dinner, I'm going to show you that. So all I had...
We forgot the secret ingredient.
What?
We put in a little bit of homemade salsa.
Oh yeah, and his mom's homemade salsa he put in it. So if you have any salsa, you can even use this. This stuff is 0 points, you guys. The tostados, whatever, however you want to say it.
It's not as good.
Yeah, it's not as good.
It's a secret ingredient.
His mom makes really, really good salsa. It's like sweeter. So yeah, so this is 0 points. I've been eating this. It's so good. But anyways, back to what I was saying. You can go work now if you want. I'm trying to get rid of you. I had this for lunch. We had a shake and a tea. And had a strawberry cheesecake one. It was more cheesecakey, so next time he's gonna try something else.
Graham crackery.
Yeah. Oh yeah, graham crackery. But this tea is so good and makes me bounce off the walls. But I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul for our Cinco de Mayo little haul. So let's go. All right. So this is not Cinco de Mayo, but I've been craving coleslaw like crazy. You guys know that. If you follow me on Instagram, it's quite a bad habit. But I'm going to try this light one because it's 4 points for 2 tablespoons versus only 90 calories versus 150 calories for 6 points. So I figured I'd try the light, see if it's any good. I grew up eating this. It's a little bit more sour, if that makes sense.
You want Kraft coleslaw.
He likes the Kraft. I don't know. I don't like the Kraft at all. So 2 different taste buds there. And then I just got some pico de gallo because I'm too lazy to buy all this stuff and cut it up. So yeah, some hot and spicy guacamole. Some canned jalapenos. I just buy this kind. I don't know. They're pretty good.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, some jalapenos. Tapatio hot sauce. I've never had this before. I've never had this before, so I figured I'd give that a try. Some mayo. Corn tortillas. These are actually white corn. You can have 2 of them for 3 points. And then an actual jalapeno because I figured we could cut it up and put it in the roast, but it's too late now. Some cilantro. This stuff is really strong. I could smell it the whole car ride home pretty much. Some refried beans.
Would you look here? We happen to have a little bit of the bubbly.
You are such a dork. I love you. There's some authentic fried beans. They have this brand in fat-free, but I didn't want fat-free. I'm actually going to save all of my points pretty much for dinner tonight. So, because I just want a really good meal. Okay, so then I got some, oh geez, Indy and Jay are playing. Some queso blanco, this is Jason's favorite. And then I got chips for it here. These were 2 for $4, so I had to get 2. But the rounds and the strips, I love the Mission tortilla chips. They're so good. My dad always used to buy them growing up. Some angel hair coleslaw. This one's my favorite. I love the angel hair. You can really get anything or make some homemade if you want. That's to try it with the coleslaw mix. Some Spanish rice because I'm lazy, and we actually really like this one. This one's super good. Some lettuce for the tacos. These chili mango lays, I don't know, they kind of sounded good. They'll probably be gross, but whatever. And then just some barbecue chips for Jason for his lunches. And then I got this kind of cheese. I'm not even gonna butcher it. I don't know how to say it. Let's look it up actually. Cotija.
Cotija. Cotija. Cotija.
Yeah, this cheese is so good. So that is my little haul. I spent like 60 bucks. I went to our local grocery store. It's so expensive. I don't know why. If anybody else notices that, versus like Walmart or like, you know, even Target, I feel like it's always way more expensive at an actual grocery store. But any Hoosier, that doesn't really matter. Oh, and I got some Ready Whip for Indy because I told her I'd get her a pup cup and I didn't. And plus we were out of Ready Whip, and I like to have this on like ice cream, bananas, dessert. So I'll give her a little bit of this here. She's addicted to it. Indy, she's gonna be so excited when I open it. She gets freaking excited. She's already running. Come here, mama. Look what I got for you. Oops, sorry. I couldn't see. I wasn't focusing on you. And mom too. I'm so weird, sorry. Cheers to Cinco de Mayo. The sweatshirt is from American Eagle. It's so cute. It's in the men's section. And it's like a pinkish red. So, don't mind the mess on top of the fridge. I'm trying to figure out where to put her ninja thing. It's just so big. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. Chili mango. Okay, now they smell weird. Hold on. I know my face is like telling you that I don't like them, but like I weirdly like it. They were worth a try. They're not terrible, but they're not like delish, you know? I'm gonna try one more. I don't know. It's like for a chip. It's not terrible, but it's not terrible, but like so weird. I feel like these would be really good on a sandwich. Me and Jason love to put chips on our sandwiches, but super weird. It's just like a sweet chili chip. I don't know. We are finally eating. Here's Jason's tacos. Are you excited? Pepsi's naughty.
It's good.
So we have
Pepsi goes with tacos.
Oh yeah. So we have our shredded meat here. We had to actually cut it up because it wasn't shredding. I don't know. Super weird. Shredded lettuce. Jason likes this. I'm gonna try that hot sauce that I showed you guys earlier. Some pico de gallo. The cotija. I don't know. That one cheese. Still don't know how to pronounce it. Then I'm gonna have 3 shells. So I'm going to get a plate out. I'm gonna get a plate here and dish up. I'll show you guys my little food. You guys, I can't even lie to you. Ooh, it's spicy. I'm having one more taco. A little bit of guac, some beans. I only did like a fourth a cup of beans and a fourth cup of rice, and then a little sauce on the side. Now I'm having some guacamole, and I'm gonna have a little bit of chips. I can't lie to you, I had half seconds. It's way too good. And it's not seconds because I haven't had rice and beans yet, but it's just so dang good. I'd highly recommend. I'll put the points up on the screen for what I was going to have, so if you want to have it, it could still be point friendly. But now I went over with an extra taco, but that's okay. It's Cinco de Mayo and I just really want this. Hi you guys, it is Friday, May 7th, and Mother's Day is on Sunday, and I wanted to show you quick what I got my mom before I pack it up and give it to her tomorrow. So I got her this cute card. It says Mom Best Friend. I got her these hair ties because she sleeps in these ponytails every night for bed, scrunchies, and they're super soft and super comfortable. This is all from Marshall's, except for the hair stuff, which I'll talk about here in a second. And dry brush. I thought it was so pretty, like the marbling. And then I got her some bubble bath, this Amazing Grace. It smells really good. You can kind of smell it through the package, but super nice. And then some eye patches. Found these at Marshall's too. And then I got her this sign. It's so cute. I thought she could put it at her desk. She works at home like I do. And then I got myself some new shampoo because I really needed some. And so I picked her some up too. I love this. This is Verb. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to try it out. But I absolutely love it. It makes my hair so soft. And my hair lasts for a few days. I personally wash my hair like a couple times a week. At least once or twice a week. And it lasts pretty well. And it's so soft. And I just absolutely love it. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. It's really good. And I really like it. My friend, she went to Cosmo School and she recommended it, and Jason and I both use it, so super recommend that. But yeah, it's just what I got my mama. I wanted to share with you guys. And I also love wet brushes. If you don't have one, you've been sleeping, so I'd highly recommend going and getting one. Hi you guys, so I wanted to show you, I just got a package in the mail from Weight Watchers. I use my reward points. If you don't know what those are, they're just at the bottom of the screen of your Weight Watcher app. I'll try to throw up a picture, but let me show you what I got. I got the cookbook. Okay, so like I said, you earn these points. So they sent me this cute little, your amazing determination is paid off. You're a WW fan, like how cute. And this is what I got. So it's 130 recipes, it says, with tips and tricks. I haven't even opened it yet. Coconut almond bonbons. Smoky beans and barley burgers. Let's see what else we got. Korean chicken drumsticks. Sick recipes. Heck yeah. Veggie omelet sandwich. I'm gonna flip through this, you guys. I might make some meals off of this, but I wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited that this came finally. I actually forgot that I ordered it like last week or the week before, like 2 weeks ago now actually. Finally loaded. You come down here to this little present. And right here it tells you your wins. So I have, it's being so weird tonight, my phone, but you can browse your rewards right there. And see, I have, it tells you though, like I have 56K right now, so technically I could have pretty much anything in here. The one thing though that really got me excited, let's see if it's still in here. You can donate meals to families, like that is so nice. Let's see if they don't have it. Oh, right here. $15 to online credit, so you can get some snacks. This is another cookbook. Hi guys, I wanted to show you my dinner tonight. So it is May 6th. We're having a corn on the cob for 0 points, a Caesar salad for 3 points, I think. I haven't calculated this yet. And then a sloppy joe with manwich. And then these buns are really good. Sorry, I'm filling up Jason's water. This is the cheese I put on just a little bit. And then this is the Caesar dressing, 2 points for 1 tablespoon. And then some croutons. What am I showing you on? These buns, these light Italian Village Hearth. Village Hearth bread is the plug. So dang good. Bone apple teeth.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape.
I seriously love my family. Here comes Indy. Enders. Hi, babies. Hi, Mama. Indy. She's on a leash because, and I've said this before, but there's cats around here, and she went to go chase one today, so I'm really glad she was on her little leash. Is there a cat over there? Oh, yep, the cat's out. I don't know where it is. I can't see it. I don't know where it is, but Hers is trying to be a hunting dog, and I try to tell her not to do that, but she don't listen. We're watering our apple tree so we get some good apples this year. I am just having a coffee, relaxing.